you say praise God? Amshallah?
Mashallah.
Mashallah?
Mashallah.
Mashallah? Okay. That's
Yeah.
praise God.
Yeah.
Mashallah. Praise God. Thank you.
Thank you.
Gazi, I used to always get told that I was entertaining. And I used to feel insulted by that because it kind of made me feel like a clown or a goofball. But if you think about it, when you get older, if you can if you're entertaining and you can make money from it, is it really a bad thing?
Yeah, I understand. Look, I do like that. I do like that to make fun as well. So sometimes I like to really so clown and so chambers as well. It's really so amazing. Life should be really full of fun as well. Whatever you do, you need to make fun. So that's the way we should consist our life.
It is important to have fun.
100%.
I can attest to that because I'm a very responsible person. I'm a workaholic. And people might look at me and think I'm very successful, but I am always working and I never enjoy my life. I'm always working, but you have to have balance. It's so important to have balance. You have to enjoy the life that you're creating for yourself.
Look, the same things happened in my life also. When I was back in 2014, I just took over my family's responsibility, everything as well on myself. I was really so confused what's going on with my life. I was doing the study, but I couldn't really finish up my study. To be honest, I had to drop out from 13th grade class in Bangladesh, so it's not really too much educated whatever I did. And look, after getting into my content creation, I got really huge support from my audience, and everyone is giving the good idea, and each time went by, I'm creating the new idea. Now I have settled up everything as well. I want to be an international vlogger and I want to explore different communities, going to the any countries like America and Canada, Australia and so on. But regarding of you, and you want to be with me, that because I want to be that.
I support it.
Thank you. I will be also there for you. But I was talking to a boy who is expert of Saudi Arabia, but he lived in my village, and I asked two perfume, a Saudi authentic perfume only for you.
He's bribing me with perfume, y'all.
100%.
I'm telling y'all, if y'all have ever, that's why Arab people smell good. They have this perfume and it's like thick, like honey, and they drip it, like they'll drip a little piece and then they rub it, and that's their perfume. It's like magic. And it's very expensive because it's made with really quality ingredients.
Yeah.
Not like the piss water we make over here.
Yeah, I got you.
Gazi, I do have a question, and I'm finding it very difficult to get monetized on Facebook.
Listen to me. My Facebook page, which is monetized now, this Facebook was in violation for 1.5 years. 1.5 years, this Facebook was in hard violation. My face was at risk of deleting. Could you believe that? And I elevated within a week one of your platform, whether YouTube or Facebook. I would make a monetized your Facebook page or YouTube channel. Most possibly both will be monetized. That because I will do something here in Bangladesh so that you will use our Bangladeshi content and people will be very crazy to jump on your channel. If we can start our journey as soon as possible, and I think we would have everything as well, because we want to help the people basically who are living under the poverty line, who are really underprivileged person. Yeah, that's all.
Says in the Bible, who lends to the poor is giving to the Lord. How you know so?
Mhm.
So when you're helping poor people, you're lending to God. And if you're lending to God, God has a lot to lend back. So
100%. You go aside of the poor people, and God will give you something from the other side. Okay, so if you give something to the poor people, that doesn't mean that your wealth will be decreased. And I hope you would be succeed, inshallah.
mashallah.
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 Mashallah.